Making money online with no investment may be a better option since we have nothing to lose. On their respective app stores, Android and iOS have a variety of applications that may be used to earn some extra cash. Most of these applications contain daily chores such as installing an app, listening to music, completing a survey, and so on. There may be several withdrawal alternatives available in these applications. You may, for example, use Pay Wallet, PayPal, Payoneer, or another accessible wallet choice. Hello and welcome to today's video. Are you looking for ways to earn money without making investments? If so, stay tuned and don't touch that dial. We will discuss the finest money-making applications that do not need any investment. So, if you have a smartphone and are ready to start, let's do this. Number 10. CashKarma. First on the list, we have CashKarma. With CashKarma, you may earn real money by doing surveys and completing offers. Their partners deal with firms that value your input and will compensate you for it. There are several reward options under CashKarma, with a wide variety of payments for everyone. You may use your CashKarma points to receive PayPal cash and gift cards for Amazon, Walmart, Target, Google Play, iTunes, Xbox Live, PlayStation, and Starbucks, among other things. CashKarma offers high watching payout surveys and offers accomplishment badges that unlock more cash. Additionally, CashKarma will raise your rewards as you complete assignments and surveys to level up your CashKarma ID. CashKarma has also included gift cards within the app. Number 9. mCent. Let's move on to the second app on our list. mCent is ideal for those who want to recharge their DTH, cell phone, and power bills. You may get free talk time and mobile balance with mCent. You may also withdraw money into your wallet. Refer and earn programs are also available via mCent. You may, for example, earn money by recommending your friends to mCent. In addition, mCent features social tasks and third-party applications that you may download for extra benefits. Daily tasks will be assigned to you by mCent. To earn cash back, you must accomplish the tasks assigned to you daily. The duties might include things like playing games, visiting certain websites, and so forth. As of now, no iOS version of the mCent app is available. Number 8. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another excellent way to earn money online. You may use the app to do paid surveys, shop at your favorite businesses, and buy services. When you sign up with Swagbucks, you will get a $10 welcome bonus. When redeeming your Swagbucks points, you may use PayPal cash or gift cards at Amazon, Google Play, Target, Visa, Walmart, Uber, Starbucks, and other retailers. You may also redeem your points for gift cards for as little as $1 or store it and earn money with Swagbucks. Swagbucks has the greatest surveys for cash, and they get hundreds of online surveys daily. Swagbucks allows you to conduct surveys on important subjects such as politics, movies, TV programs, and shopping experience at various online businesses. Swagbucks also offers another way to make money. You may be rewarded for every supermarket receipt you scan and cash back from prominent shops such as Amazon, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, and more. You may also get awarded for viewing movies and playing games. 7. Givvy. You can make money for free with Givvy by playing easy games and introducing your friends. You may also earn Givvy coins and exchange them for real money. When it comes to cash withdrawals, Givvy usually transfers money to your associated bank account within 24 hours or less. Givvy also has a unique giveaway list. You may choose one of the prizes from their giveaway list. All you have to do is join up and take part. You have a chance to win the reward if you are fortunate. The prize will be deposited to your Givvy balance as soon as the winner is selected. Givvy offers a variety of games in which you may make a lot of money. Some of the most popular games are tic-tac-toe, math games, and memory games. Number 6. Google Opinion Rewards. Google also has its own reward earning app, via which users can earn money by completing surveys. This program, like other applications, does not need any initial expenditure to get started. You just need to install the app to get notifications on your phone about potentially paid surveys. Their services mostly depend on your thoughts, such as which product you have recently heard of, which brand you believe to be the most trustworthy, and so on. Google Opinion Rewards may also be used to earn Google Play credits. Now, how do you get started with this app? You must first download the app and answer some basic questions about yourself. They will then send you questionnaires through the app. Furthermore, you will get a notice on your phone for this. With each survey, you may earn up to 50 cents in Google Play credit. Number 5. Current rewards. Do you like listening to music and playing video games? Would you like to make money doing these things? You may accomplish this using the Current Rewards app. This software has a point-based earning system. It allows you to redeem reward points for cash. For your better guess, you'll need around 22,500 points to redeem $10 on Google Play and Amazon gift cards. To make money on Current Rewards, complete paid surveys, give your ideas, and suggest our app to your friends. Furthermore, current bonuses will enable you to earn actual cash prizes for your daily behaviors. On Current Rewards, you may try out free games and applications, view short films from various categories, and earn money. Other surprising methods to make money with this program include going to department shops, convenience stores, and restaurants and charging your phone. Number 4. HoneyGain. This software may be useful if you have a reliable and fast internet connection. However, you must share your bandwidth to make money from unused surplus internet on the HoneyGain app. When it comes to receiving a payout via the HoneyGain app, it may take up to 72 hours to get funds straight to your PayPal account. Furthermore, they will tell you by letter when the payment is finalized. To profit from the HoneyGain app, install it first and then leave it running in the background. The HoneyGain app will instantly link you to a CDN cloud, and you will be compensated for whatever quantity of internet use on the app. Number 3. Cred. You might be familiar with the Cred app since you have seen celebrities use it to promote. This is an important tool since it allows you to make all your payments with a credit card. This software provides complete transparency to all users. You can simply see all of your outstanding bills and payments, as well as when they were made. Cred is a highly handy tool that allows you to pay bills with any credit card. On this app, you can effortlessly examine every transaction. You may also make payments using UPI. This software has several advantages, such as in trophy rooms. You can see how much money you have made. On your own accounts, you may obtain cash back and enticing bonuses. You earn Cred coins when doing transactions. Another option to make money with Cred is to suggest this app to others. Every time you suggest a friend, you will be rewarded. This software functions as an affiliate program, allowing you to earn money by referring others. Number 2. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie has captured the attention of over 11 million individuals, and it will capture yours now. To join this site, you must be at least 16 years old. Furthermore, they are currently only admitting nationals of the United States. To get extra points, complete the various surveys on the site. Checking the numbers would be a breeze, thanks to the app's superb dashboard. Instead, you may redeem the points using PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. You may customize the method after you've earned the required number of redemption points. The minimum redemption point amount is 500. Number 1. Rakuten. First on our list is a well-known platform all over the globe. Rakuten gives customers up to 40% cash back on purchases from renowned shops, cafes, and food conveyance. Customers may also profit from mobility, gift certificates, and so forth. It's simple. Build a record, tap the shop where you want to buy in the program, and then complete the transaction via the entry. You may also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to make purchases at the shop if you use the application first. Rakuten credits return to your account when the store confirms the transaction, which might take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Remember that consistency is the most crucial factor. These applications are all extremely simple to use and ideal for individuals who are just starting out. Please let us know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'd love to hear from you. Give the channel a sub and a thumbs up.